The Rode Wireless Go paired with the iPhone 11 is perfect for shooting YouTube videos. Well, good afternoon everybody and welcome back to the channel. Hey, as I mentioned earlier, this is the best YouTube video making setup that I've had so far. I wanted to run through it with you guys real quick because I get questions occasionally as to what the equipment is that I use, and I have finally found the mecca of YouTube making equipment. So what we've got here, first of all, is just an iPhone. This is an iPhone 11 Max Pro, I believe it is. It's the latest and greatest version. Prior to this, I had a 10X Max, I think, which I believe you could use as well. So you need a phone. You can use just a regular camera as long as it has an audio input jack. Along with this equipment as well. So you don't have to have an iPhone. If you have a camera sitting around with a jack, you can go ahead and use that too. So what am I talking about? Well, this is for audio. First of all, this is the Rode Wireless Go. Comes in this box, looks just like this. You need that, it's about 200 bucks or so, something like that. And then you need a lightning headphone jack. This is what's going to connect everything into your iPhone. And then you need this SC7 cable, or what do they call it? They call it a TRRS to TRRS patch cable. Now, you only need this if you're going to be using your iPhone. Matter of fact, you only need this if you're going to be using your iPhone. Otherwise, everything that you need for a regular camera comes in this kit. So, how do you connect it up? Well, first of all, what you get is a transmitter and a receiver. One, obviously, you'd put somewhere around your neck or on your shirt or something like that. See if I can get that on there for you. Something like that, just near your mouth, obviously, so people can hear you. And then secondly, the receiver is going to be connected and sit with the iPhone. Now, how does this connect? Well, first of all, you need this cord, and again, this is the SC7 cord, because it has this extra little ring on it here. I don't know if you can see that on the camera, but this extra little ring here, and that's important. That's going to be in addition to the cord that comes with the kit, which looks just like this, by the way, but only has these two little rings on it. So you would connect the gray end with the three rings into your SC7 cord, like so. This is going to plug into the bottom port of your iPhone down here. And then the other end of this is going to plug into the receiver on your Wireless Go kit here. Let's see, right here on the side is the connection for that. So it's going to plug in like that. That's it. That's all you have to do. Now, I'm going to switch over to the iPhone setup for the rest of this video so that you guys can hear what the audio is like on the iPhone with this wireless mic plugged in. All right, I have switched equipment. Right now we are on the iPhone, so I've switched off my big camera over here, and you guys can see this has this big giant boom mic on it, which works really well, by the way. You may notice the sound quality between this and what I'm using is pretty darn close, but it's not wireless. So the point of this, I guess, or the purpose of using this is that it is wireless, and I can get up and I can walk around. I can be over here. I can be talking to you way over here and you can still hear me. There's no echo or any, sound loss or quality loss because I'm further away. Same thing down here. I can walk over here. I can be out here with the gorgeous voodoo blue Tacoma. You guys see it back here? And you still get good quality with this, and that's what I really wanted. I wanted good quality and consistency. I didn't want to walk away from wherever I was and lose my sound or start to echo like crazy or anything nuts like that. So anyway, I kind of just wanted to get on here, let you guys hear what this is like. I will say that if you're looking at the settings, because I had trouble finding this, on the receiver part, the part that's over there with you guys on the actual iPhone, there's a little button on the bottom, and there are three settings, low, medium, and high. Each one kind of steps up the volume that is received, I guess. And I found that the best one to use is the bottom one, because as you go up, it distorts, and when you get into the third highest setting, it actually starts to clip. In other words, it cuts in and out. So it's horrible. So you have to use the third, either the second or the lowest setting, the lowest being the best, in my opinion. Anyway, I just want to get on here, kind of go over that a little bit. I get some questions on the channel, actually on both channels, as to what equipment I use and stuff like that. And so far, this is the best setup I've had, even comparing it to the big camera over here. I think it's comparable in quality and much simpler to use. Leave a comment down below. Let me know, are you a budding YouTuber? Are you looking to get into some kind of social media video? Or maybe you're just shooting videos to keep for the family. Either way, you want your videos to be the best. Appreciate you guys watching. Don't forget, check out my two channels. One is RobMotive, all about my 2020 Toyota Tacoma, what you saw out there. And the other is RobMotion, all about my 2020 Jeep Gladiator. Thanks for watching. Stay safe out there, and we'll see you next time on the web. Bye.